Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to send follow-up emails automatically after form submissions in Hubspot. This is a great way to keep your leads engaged and streamline your marketing communication. Start by going to Hubspot's homepage and logging into your account. Make sure you have your credentials ready so you can access the marketing tools easily. Once logged in, navigate to the Marketing tab in the top menu. And from the drop-down, select Forms. This is where you'll manage all your forms and their settings. Next, select the specific form you want to configure. Choosing the right form ensures your follow-up emails are sent to the correct audience, keeping your communication targeted and relevant. Inside the form editor, go to the Automation tab. This is the key area where you can define what happens after someone submits the form. Now create a workflow to automate follow-up actions. Workflows in HubSpot allow you to perform tasks like sending emails automatically so you don't have to manage each submission manually. Set up the follow-up email within the workflow. Here you can customize the content to match the visitor's submission, making your response personalized and meaningful. Once everything is set, your system will automatically send follow-up emails to anyone who submits the form. This improves communication efficiency and ensures leads receive prompt, relevant responses. Finally, remember to periodically review and adjust your workflow settings. Marketing needs change over time, and keeping your automation updated ensures it continues to perform effectively. And that's it. You've successfully set up automated follow-up emails in HubSpot, helping you engage leads more efficiently and maintain strong communication.